Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to remove Gemini from your Google Messages app. If you're tired of that floating AI button cluttering your texting screen in 2026, let's get right into the steps to hide it for good. First, you need to head into your app-specific settings. Open the Google Messages app on your Android device and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Messages Settings. This is the main control center where you can manage all your chat features and AI-powered tools. Next, you need to find the specific toggle for the Gemini integration. Look for the menu option labeled Gemini in Messages. Once you tap into that, you will see a simple switch at the very top that says Show Gemini button. Toggle that off, and the floating Gemini icon, which usually sits right above your Start Chat button, will instantly disappear from your messaging interface. Then, you should check what happens to your previous conversations. It is important to keep in mind that toggling off the button does not automatically delete your history. Any previous chats you had with Gemini will be archived rather than permanently removed. If you want to get rid of them for good, you will need to go to your archived list, long press the Gemini thread, and hit the trash icon to wipe that data from your device. Finally, remember that this setting is only for the Messages app. Disabling Gemini here does not turn it off as your phone's primary system assistant. If you want to fully remove Gemini from your entire Android experience, you will need to go to your Android system settings, find the Digital Assistant section, and switch back to the classic Google Assistant. This ensures that your power button and Hey Google commands go back to the traditional voice experience you're used to. And that is it. Your messaging app is now officially a distraction-free zone. If this decluttering guide helped you clean up your phone today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and Android tutorials. See you in the next one.